Spend a medical minute with Kaleida Health.
Most people have a hip replacement for pain, and typically the pain that comes from a bad hip is groin pain or thigh pain. Patients notice trouble getting in and out of a car. They have problems putting on shoes and socks. Oftentimes they'll feel like they have a chronic groin pull that just won't go away. Avoiding major trauma in your life, like car accidents and things like that, can certainly help avoid a hip replacement, but for most of the regular wear and tear problems, there's not a good prevention. During hip replacement surgery, we cut away the rough surfaces and basically resurface them with smooth metal and plastic. After hip replacement, most people notice very quickly that their arthritis pain is gone. Patients are usually up walking the day of surgery. A lot of our patients go home the same day or the next day. They'll use a cane for 1 to 3 weeks, but by 6 weeks they'll already be about 70% better, and from there they'll gradually return to their normal life.
Kaleida Health. We see more than patients.